Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about a TreeHouse targets updates of the listing with my customer set. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Nothing new with new token after listing. The same story. Crazy FDV. Almost $500 million. Market capitalization 77 million. Only 15% tokens in circulation supply. The price now almost 50 cents after listing. And even after drop. So the next unlock here, less than 1%, but we got a vesting shadow, this one. And for the next 3 years, community rewards, strategic rounds, vesting shadow will be started at 2026. Anyway, guys, it's kind of weird, absolutely weird, all of this listing, all of this funds, because take a look, the pre-seed round, in this project, some guys invested in it in 2021 and 2022. The Binance Labs invested in. So we can't know at what price do they get their tokens. First moment. Second one, it's kind of weird, the crazy difference between the market capitalization and FDV. We still got a big unlocks coming, and it's absolutely weird. Because this cycle is a cycle of venture funds. So they run a lot of tokens with some seed rounds, pre-rounds, strategic rounds, Series A, Series B, Series C, and all of these rounds. They get allocation, distributed tokens between the crazy amount of wallets, and after that, list the token on centralized exchanges and distribute their back step by step. Zone of interest, guys, nothing changed. After listing, we use the initiation accumulation pump model. How to work with this model, highly recommend you go and check free educational video. So I use the Bybit, but because at least on the Bybit, it's the lowest price target, it's like 20 cents. On a Bitmart, it's 10 cents. I confuse why this token not listed on a BitGet yet. Because BitGet usually lists with the lowest point, but Bitmart I'm not using because it's a low liquid exchange. That's why let's use the Bybit. On a Binance, it's a higher price, it's 30 cents, and this one is listing only. So this is zone of interest. So believe it or not, but we sooner or later, I think, just my personal thoughts, we will drop to 43, 58, 38, 30 cents, 26. In validation of this idea, if the token will drop on the listing price. This is a zone of fixation of swing trades. Let me show you on take profit indicator with my custom indicator set, this one, 15-minute time frame. Of course, it's just a brand new token because here just to list it and not enough data to analyze and show you the data from on 4-hour time frame, 12-hour time frame, daily one. So on 15-minute time frame, the buy line. So this is the buy line, this is the value of this token, this is a take profit, and this is the exit line. So this indicator works pretty good one. And if you combine all full set, 6 in 1 with your trading strategy, this gives you a lot of confidence how to trade. So you can buy here, or just like I do. I always better weight this zone of interest. So it's giving me the more, risk ratio for the trades, even if we talk about a spot. So the buy line at this current moment only 36 cents. The amount value of 3 is 27 cents. So sometimes, guys, better skip this move, for example, and buy in here. But it's only up to you. You can buy here and here using the DCA strategy. Highly recommend you go and check educational video about also DCA, how you can combine the indicator set, how you can combine the initiation accumulation pump model and DCA. So you will save a lot of time, because a lot of time and money, because imagine the people who hop in here at the $1, and now I saw a lot of posts, people complaining about in Binance Square. Why this token dump it? Because no makes sense to buy the token after listing. Why? We get like 3 years every single week. We got some brand new listing, and every single token playing out absolutely the same model. Why people still buying after listing? But what? I have no idea. So take a look from this current prices. If you hop in accidentally, not accidentally but because of your mistake, at $1, you're in losses like 100% 10. Yes, because of course you can't be down like 100%. But to recover back to your break even, the token should pump 110%. And imagine, it's a crazy pump. That's why, guys, better add alert and wait the targets with this indicator set, guys. And I'm more than sure we're going to drop to this area after strategy. For example, we can't know are the price bounce or not at this current moment. But after, if for example we bounce this red block, it's a zone of fixation swing trades. We can trade, guys, a long-term period in these ranges. A long-term period. You can open the chart of Pango. Pango, for example, dump it, forming something like this one, and pump here. It's just a matter of time when, if, of course, the condition, the token should be tradable on centralized exchanges, one take. Second one, the market makers have to build a plan, to deliver the price, because if the task from venture funds to the market makers just dump the price, it can go like BBL. So we can't know at this current moment. The venture funds and the market makers got a plan to dump and pump this token, or just a dump. We can't know. No one metric in on-chain, no one metric on the chart analysis, fundamental research will give you this answer. Because we can't know, because behind the venture funds and the market makers are the real people with their own plan. Charts, we can only mark the zone of interest and work with the possibilities up to our own risk. In fact, it's not like magic, because people invest in crypto like in some lottery. I want to buy here and see here, but you can see something like this. That's why, guys, you will be safe if you build a plan and follow your plan with your proper money management and risk management. After that, it will be just more chances to be profitable on the distance. Let's take a look at easy direction. This is a step-by-step accumulation on 1 hour time frame. But anyway, I wait longer. I wait lower. This can be the warranty on the 1 hour time frame, and after that, we'll see the bounce. So it can be something like this one, bounce, and drop it again. Something like this one. And usually it's formed like a channel and go higher. So absolutely the same, just copy-paste model. So you can open a lot of tokens absolutely with identical model. 4 time frame, no data yet, 30 minutes time frame here. We already formed the warranty. So here from 66 cents, we trade now at 47. So we will go lower, and after that we'll form the warranty on a 30 minutes time frame, on a 1 hour time frame, and pump. But I repeat again, one of these months, like August or September, will be red. One will be green, and one of these two will be red. And October, November, I think, will be so bullish with a lot of hype news from nowhere. Direction, we on the middle line, but without any signals for accumulation. So guys, be careful. We come back to this video later, to see the updates. 30 minutes time frame here. Aphria added. Now we landed back to the disbelief. That's why I never buy the token on Aphria. This is 1 hour time frame, still Aphria. So no makes sense to take a risk. Of course, it's up to you. If it's comfortable for you to buy, you can buy it. Here was a money inflow. Some money inflow. 2 hours money inflow. But of course, guys, 1 hour time frame, it's in average here, 6% pump. So it's not what we're looking for here. Money inflow, some tiny pump. Of course, you can use this set, for intraday, combine it with your trading strategy and get a lot of additional data, to make a decision to buy or not, to open position or not. And so 15 minutes time frame here, some money inflow. That's why I need to see some money inflow, guys, on 4 time frame, on 12 time frame, on a daily, on a weekly, if we want to talk about an investment. Trade on, and buy, bounce, some local one, 30 minutes time frame, buy, bounce, buy, tiny bounce, buy, recommendation, close position. That's why, guys, I recommend you to not rush, but wait, and not gamble too much, because the people think, and take profit, I already showed it, because people think that DCA strategy is some like magic and solution. So every single time whether people stuck in talking, they start talking about, oh, I use DCA. No, you just stuck in talking. Let's be honest. So can we see something like this one? Yes, of course. Of course, but guys, you can't just gamble randomly just by luck. Better build a plan. So I think here, some first 2 weeks, maybe 1 week, first week of August will be this zone. After that, we can see some bounce. And if you see some 50% or 100%, just withdraw part of your initial deposit, or initial deposit 100%, leave free tokens, and wait the next targets for accumulation back if you believe in this project, or for distribution the free tokens. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment, what do you think about a tree? We'll come back to this video later. Maybe I will share the idea on TradingView. If you like to trade with my customer, because I would have showed on this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.